What is up, guys? I'm finally back with another video. I know it's been a while, and for that I apologize. But today's video is gonna be about second gen RX7 that has a 2JZ swap in it. It has a swap, but the swap has not been done very well. So as the video go along and we get further into this build, we're gonna be getting more, and I'll show you guys what exactly was the problem. But for today's video, I gotta get the car in the garage. As you guys can see, the garage is empty. I did move the Datsun and put it away in another friend's garage. As you can see, I got some of the parts primed over here. These gotta be sanded and ready for paint. But I'm gonna be trying to get the RX7 into the garage tonight. As you guys can see, there's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Unfortunately, this car does not drive, so I'm gonna have to shovel it out to push it. And there's so much snow. The car is parked all the way in the back. I'm gonna get over there just now and show you guys how it's buried. I was just out there shoveling some of the snow out. I did do a time lapse of that. I'm gonna add that in here now. Alright guys, let's go try to start this car. Got the keys and I got a battery. The battery was dead in the car. I put it on charge a few days ago. It was disconnected, so I'm hoping that it did hold some charge. Cause that would suck if it did not hold any charge. As you can see, that's a glimpse of it. You could barely see the car. The snow is all the way up to the door handle basically. She's buried in there. Quite a bit of snow. I did shovel out the front of it, try to see if it'll drive out, but this car has the RXSS tires on it, so I don't think they're gonna grab in the snow. They're probably gonna be really hard and they're not gonna want to grab. Oh, let's try this. Just give me a second here. So guys, I just installed the battery over there. Hopefully it worked. I did open up the door and I did not get any noise or anything, so I don't know. This car does have a problem starting. Whoever did the wiring in this car before, they didn't do a really good job. This car does not really like to start. I think we might have got lucky. Come on, come on, come on. See something? You gotta click it, click it, click it. I could hear the fuel pump singing. Cycle it a couple times. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's try this again. Come on, come on. The battery's getting low. So this car is very tight to fit in. Try this again. Yeah, buddy. They fired up. I'm gonna give it a second to warm up before I even try to move it. So, yeah, I don't know. It gets like the lights on the. Oh, it worked. As you guys can see Old Faithful over here. But yeah, the RX7 is it's a pretty nice car, at least it used to be. She's seen better days. The car is automatic. We're going to be switching it to manual. Car does have a ugly front lip. When we get it in the garage, we'll take a better look at it, but you can see how much snow was on it. I'm hoping it'll just come out. I'm gonna let her idle and warm up a little bit. The exhaust is completely covered. Hopefully the cabin doesn't fill up with smoke. So yeah, I'm gonna go try to clean out some more snow over here, move around some of these cars, and see if I can actually get this car up in the garage, because couple of days since I got the car in here. I had some stuff that got tied up on. Some of my family members got COVID, and yeah, so less about that. But we got the car up on the quick check, as you guys can see. I bought that like a few months ago. It has some issue where the car is not going up level, and one of the fitting is actually leaking. And I think that might be, you see this one right here is leaking a little bit. So I ordered a new fitting. I haven't got it yet, but today we're gonna try to take apart everything in the engine bay, and hopefully we're gonna be able to pull the engine out today. Not sure if we're gonna be able to get all of that done, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much done as I can. My brother is supposed to come over and help me. He's not sure what time he's gonna be able to make it, but we're gonna get cracking on it for now, and hopefully we could get it 90% done. So when he gets here, all we're gonna have to do is just hook up the engine hoist and basically take it out. Alright guys, so we're about to go take out the transmission mount and the dry shaft, but I gotta show you guys this setup that these guys built for this car before. It's pretty crazy. Let me get some light. Okay. Okay. So the dry shaft, they made it. You can see that weld that they give me there, and if you come down under here, this is where the good stuff is. So if you guys can see, that is the dry shaft mount that they built. Both sides is as shitty as that. Shifter bracket, whatever the hell that is that you want to call it, that they made. And the transmission mount is the best one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they basically just took a plate and screwed it on there, and they did the same thing over here. So this car is not safe to drive at all. It was insane that they did all of that. When you drive the car, everything vibrates really bad. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this the dry shaft out, and I'm gonna try to take out the transmission mount thingamabob, whatever the fuck that is. And yeah, stay tuned guys.
How do I know what it looked like?
Let's touch the screen back.
Oh, okay, here it is. Hey y'all, Complex Minds Podcast.
This nigga fucking taking shoutouts and shit over here. Yeah.
As we can see,
Oh shit,
this is Mazda's second turbo car with 2 Gigamen inside. Kenboost.
That's how you know it's a hard.
Oh, this is a Harbor Freight Jack? Yeah. We all going down tonight. Thing is bending already. Look at that thing.
Not bending.
The camera see. Is that a straight pitch?
Yeah, pull back here. See if we can pull back here into the jack. Then hold on. Well, once you step up and the pump, it should come up. Hold on.
Hey. Uh-oh, step this way.
Pry bar. Pry bar over here. Pry bar? Let me go back. Hold on, I'm drop all the way back. And it's like this. So the man is like the man well up every fucking thing. What? This is a lot of things. I think the box is a component to hold them. Drop back a little bit. Ahí vengo, rompa. Alright guys, as you can see, finally got the engine out. It wasn't too bad to come out, but some of the fabrication work that I was talking about earlier is this right here. You can see whoever did the fabrication before, they cut the subframe and they didn't finish welding it and stuff like that. The engine mount is barely tacked on there. This side they weld the chassis and the subframe all together. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. Look at that. And it's worse on the bottom side too. I am gonna be changing the complete front subframe, so when I get it out, you guys will be able to see a little bit more on the fancy job that they did. So
yeah, we gotta make
I think
sure,
this guy right over here.
Make sure Nightball's here to make sure the job gets done. Or else we're gonna see another one of these contraptions hit the road.
He's the one who did all the fabrication in this car. So
funny guy.
yeah. This was the intercooler bracket. That shit's not even sturdy. It is ridiculous what they did. But yeah, we're gonna pull the tranny off right now and probably put it up on an engine stand. I'll probably call it a night after that. Let me set you guys up on the tripod. Got fire. More fire. What is it? That's the only thing like a TikTok video. Pretty much go. That's like the thing go.
Ito naman, this is the one of the car.
Oh, pin them off now. Don't pin them off. One beast. Down.
Bigger than me, right? Okay.
This is the owner for the car, but the engine motor lang. Go on by.
In size, but in width, the moving has
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys want to see anything else. And yeah, deuces. Peace.